Greetings, everybody. How you doing today? Welcome to my channel, Rob K Reacts. I'm Rob K, reacting to outstanding, incredible, such talented performers from ages of like Angelina Jordan, starting at 7 that I started listening to her, and 14 now, and just amazing. Here is Diana Ankudinova, another girl, 15 in this video. Just watch what she's able to do with her vocals, man. She is just incredible. She was born to do what she is doing right now, and that is provide an incredible, deep, dark, shaman-like vocal, and can bring it all levels. Incredible talent. Always happy to roll with some Diana in my channel. I just finished a Dimash video. I'm finding Dimash and Diana go so well together, back to back, with Boris's involvement. More so with Dimash, but I have, believe, seen his involvement with Diana at one point earlier. So always looking forward to that opportunity. He may pop out at some time. So this is a request coming in. It's in my Discord channel, which means I picked it up from one of the videos previously and pasted it as somebody requested me to check this out. So we are going to roll with it right now. I did a quick Google translate on the title, and I believe the title is Blizzard. I got the English subtitle set up, I believe. We are ready to roll. Let's it's been too long, man. You know, here's another girl I wish I could do every day, but if I did 5 or 6 of them that I want to do every day, then I'd never get anything done, you know, outside those 5 incredible talents. So I find a way to try to, you know, keep it there, keep a regular type of rotation of some sort. So stick with me, and I keep promising we're going to keep growing with Diana and watch her grow for the next however years I have available left to me to do this here on YouTube. Let's roll. It's time for Diana. She gonna surprise you. Check this out. Remember, 15. Okay, it looks like a TV show. Okay. I do got to say real quick, it is nice to see her. Like I see her do a lot of venues, like church social gatherings, you know, smaller, intimate stuff where she's fine tuning, I've mentioned before, and honing her capabilities, what she's able to do. So it's really nice to see her in a TV atmosphere now. Looked like a big TV show. I believe, what was the name of the show called? Superstars? You Are Super, I believe. Maybe is the name of the show, is what I'm getting in the translation. But yeah, it's great to see her now where she's getting some really good exposure. Oh man, so proud of her, so happy for her. Just back that up a little bit. Let's go.
Где-то там, за окном, ходит зима. Сеет снег, белый снег, ночью и днем. И меня тишиной.
That didn't take long.
И опять не уснуть в доме пустом. Тихо, саваном белым, вьюга, дом мой укрой. Где-то ты засыпаешь, где-то, но не со мной. Где-то там в тишине ходит февраль. Ему, как и мне, сон не найти. Где-то там вдалеке никогда ты не поймешь. Где-то там не со мной, так и не узнаешь ты.
Okay, you gotta sneak in that pause. Oh, I don't know if my volume was down. Hopefully it's fine. Looks fine in OBS, but I still never know how to back that up again. Yeah, she is just like exactly what just outstanding. She is so deep. I believe I've shamanist type vocal I've heard referred to her. just how she's able to change so quickly and softly and smoothly and go hard and go lower and just mellow it out beautifully, man. And the variations, her movements are just enough. She doesn't get too extravagant, you know. I'm waiting for that look she likes to throw every once in a while. You know, she does. She's unique, and I love it. I love being able to enjoy watching her grow here on YouTube, man. It's incredible. And yeah, just incredible. Let's roll. Wow, man. Oh, outstanding. Our lovely Diana Ankudinova just bringing it so well, so strong, so emphatic, but so subtly, wonderfully incredible, man. She just she just keeps impressing me every time, and it's not like little details you know notices. It's big. It's like, whoa. She is she's a superstar waiting just to take off. I'll guarantee you. I don't know if this was her first appearance on that show or if the finals. Fill me in if you can. But I'm just so happy that she's able to get this type of exposure now. You know, where she's able to get right out there, TV cameras and big name people hitting them buttons, I'm assuming, over there. And dynamite stuff. Okay, guys, got to roll, man. Once again, Diana Ankudinova, man. Diana Ankudinova. I love saying Diana Ankudinova, but that's not right. Diana Ankudinova. Lizard. Outstanding once again. There's a great feeling within my channel again until we get to roll with her once again soon. Guys and gals, thank you for the support. Love it big time. Always a pleasure, man. Always a pleasure. Leave another request in the comments. I'll get in the Discord. We'll roll down the road. Okay, guys, got to roll. Hope you have a great day. Thank you for watching. Thank you for taking the time. Appreciate it big time. Always a good time to hear the lovely and talented Diana. See you all again soon, guys and gals. Peace out. Love you all. Take care.